Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again, and it's chain time. Today we are here to bring you another episode of chain setting. This is the daily workshop activity, and I want to teach you how to reset this timing in a simple way. This is Hyundai Santa Fe 2007 V6 type petrol engine timing chain settings. So as you can see, this is bank 1 and this is bank 2. So we are going to take a step-by-step procedure and know how you can do this timing by yourself whenever you meet it. And here is the guide, and carefully watch it and take note about that. So as you can see, there is no mark, but I have made some marks, which I'll go to bank 2 first. You can see this mark here. Okay, this is a deep mark, a very deep mark, but at the bottom here you can see a pointed deep mark down there. Yes, and that is it. And coming to here too, you can see deep mark here, which will indicate and give you this timing chain mark. It's very clear now, as I can see. So let me do it this way for viewers to understand what I really want to show. And you can see that down there is a deep mark, so this will give you the correct TDC mark and the correct camshaft position timing with both inlet and exhaust camshaft. This is the way you can set it. And let's quickly go to bank 1. It's also a same procedure, but I can tell you with this procedure you will do it better again and again and again. As you can see, this mark, it also indicates a deep mark down there, which will give you the proper timing position center. Going to the down there, the exhaust camshaft position also will give you the same mark, which will give you a correct timing position mark. It's very deep mark, but I see it clear as I want it. So this is it. We quickly go to the down, and I can show you how to reset the down. First, you quickly remove the bank 1 plug, as I can see. So it's on the TDC mark, which is on the top level. So we are going to indicate it down there, and this timing will be shown over. Is the TDC mark, which is top dead center, and you can see this key facing the inside key will give you the correct timing position for the TDC mark inside there. Yes, it's key to key. It's key to key. Okay, as you can see, this is how you can do it. From key to the inside key is being originated by this timing, and coming to the chain side, you can see also here there is a deep mark here, which will indicate a pointed mark here with the same number 1 chain timing inside there. Will also make the same procedure. So it's very simple way to do it yourself. And if you really like my content, you love my content, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell to get notified whenever we bring something new to this platform. Like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. Next time.